हेलो स्टूडेंट, केजी क्लासेस में आपका स्वागत है। आज हम आपको आई एम जॉन्स हार्ट बाय जेडी रैडक्लिफ की एक्सप्लेनेशन के बारे में बताएंगे। फर्स्ट है आई वर्क ट्वाइस एज हार्ड एज से लेकर के यूटेरस एज सी गिव्स बर्थ। पैरा थर्ड है रेफरेंस दीज लाइन्स हैव बीन टेकन फ्रॉम द लेसन आई एम जॉन्स हार्ट रिटन बाय जेडी रैडक्लिफ। Context in these lines, the author explains the hard working capacity of heart. Explanation: the arm muscles of a heavy weight boxing champion are very strong. Similarly, the leg muscles of a runner are also very strong, but the heart works two times as hard as these arms and leg muscles. If these legs and arm muscles are given as hard a work as the heart does, these would be badly destroyed in a few minutes only. The heart muscles are the strongest in the body. The bone muscles of a woman are also as much strong as the heart muscles, but these bone muscles work hard only while giving birth to a baby. On the other hand, the heart muscles have to work day and night continuously for 70 long years. Muscles means मांसपेशियाँ, similarly means इसी तरह, 2 times means 2 गुना, the bones means गर्भाशय, continuously means लगातार। नेक्स्ट स्टेंजा है फ्रॉम टाइम टू टाइम माई इग्निशन सिस्टम से लेकर के हैपेंस विदाउट हिम नोविंग। पैरा 6 इम्पोर्टेंट है, रेफरेंस सेम है। Context: the author makes the human heart speak about itself. He explains how the overlapping of two beats upon each other makes the man worried. Explanation: the heart says that just like a car, it has its ignition system. Sometimes it stops functioning for a moment. It also generates its own electricity. Man is worried when it seems that heart has missed a beat, but in fact it is not so. Only two impulses of electric current overlap each other. Its result is that two beats overlap. One should not worry that heart has missed a beat. बीट मीन्स धड़कन, बरीड मीन्स चिंतित, इग्निशन सिस्टम मीन्स प्रज्वलन प्रणाली, चालक शक्ति, जनरेट्स मीन्स उत्पन्न करती है। नेक्स्ट है आफ्टर ए नाइट मेयर ही समटाइम्स से लेकर के मैसेज हियर विल स्लो माई हार्ट बीट। पैरा 7 इम्पोर्टेंट है, रेफरेंस सेम है। कॉन्टेक्स्ट इन दीज लाइन्स द ऑथर डिस्क्राइब द कंडीशन ऑफ हार्ट आफ्टर ए नाइट मेयर। Explanation: the writer writes that if a person sees a bad and fearful dream, his heart runs very fast. It keeps on running fast even if he wakes up. If a person runs in his dreams, his heart would also run fast. If the person gives up his worries, his heart would slow down to its natural speed. The fast heart slows down by the action of the vagus nerves. To slow down the beat of heart, you should gently massage the vagus nerves behind the person's ears at the joint of his jaw. नाइटमेयर मीन्स भयंकर तथा बुरा सपना, वरी मीन्स चिंताएं, गिव्स अप मीन्स छोड़ देता है, वेगस मीन्स नर्स मीन्स मनुष्य के शरीर की कुछ नसों का नाम, जेंटली मीन्स कोमलता से, मैसेज मीन्स मालिश करना, जा मीन्स झगड़ा। नेक्स्ट है व्हेन आई एम इन ट्रबल से लेकर के लोडिंग ऑन टू मी। पैरा 8 है, रेफरेंस सेम है। कॉन्टेक्स्ट इन दी लाइन्स द ऑथर डिस्क्राइब्स ए हार्ट इन ट्रबल। एक्सप्लेनेशन: इफ ए मैन वर्क्स टू मच एंड गेट्स टू टायर्ड, हिज हार्ट वुड बी इन trouble. If a man gets too much disturbed emotionally, he would also develop heart trouble. In this trouble condition, the heart pains. The pains tells us that the heart is sick. It means that the heart is working very hard, but it is not getting enough strength or enough food to bear that much of work. ट्रबल मीन्स मुसीबत, परेशानी, डिस्टर्ब्ड इमोशनली मीन्स भावनात्मक रूप से परेशान। टू बियर मीन्स सह सकना। नेक्स्ट है व्हाट आई डू नॉट एग्जैक्ट नरिशमेंट से लेकर के कॉज ऑफ डेथ पैरा 10 रेफरेंस सेम है। कॉन्टेक्स्ट इन दिस लेसन द हार्ट ऑफ जॉन डिस्क्राइब्स मैनी थिंग्स अबाउट इटसेल्फ इन फर्स्ट पर्सन। इन दीज लाइन्स द हार्ट एक्सप्लेन्स द सोर्सेज ऑफ इट्स ओन नरिशमेंट। Explanation: the speaking on the sources of its nourishment, the heart says that a large quantity of blood passes through it even then it does not get its nourishment from that blood. It gets its food by two coronary arteries. The coronary arteries are thin tubes of the diameter of a straw pipe through which people sip cold drinks. The main arteries are divided into various branches just as the trunk of a tree is divided into so many branches. This part is the most dangerous zone. If some disorder begins here, the man will surely die. In most of the cases, men die simply due to one or the other trouble in this area of heart. सोर्स ऑफ इट्स ओन नरिशमेंट मीन्स इसकी अपनी शक्ति या खुराक का स्रोत। कोरोनरी आर्टरीज मीन्स कुछ धमनियों का नाम। डायमीटर ऑफ स्ट्रा पाइप मीन्स तरल पदार्थ पीने वाली नलका का नाम व्यास। जोन मीन्स क्षेत्र। नेक्स्ट स्टेंजा है नो वन नोज अबाउट हाउ इट हैपन्स से लेकर के क्लोज इट सडनली पैरा 11 रेफरेंस है। कॉन्टेक्स्ट द राइटर मेक्स द हार्ट स्पीक for itself in first person. The heart says that a trouble in the coronary arteries is highly dangerous and no man survive it. Explanation: the heart says that the coronary arteries make a very big spot. Any trouble in this area is sure to kill the man, but nobody can explain the exact causes of disorder in the coronary arteries. Generally, it is found that the fatty substance begin to deposit in these arteries. The matter goes on depositing till it closes the tube of the arteries. It is such a disorder that at times even freshly born infants have been found suffering from it. The fatty matter by and by deposits and finally close the coronary arteries to kill the man. Sometimes a clot may also enter the tube of an artery. To close it at once, it can kill a man suddenly. Makes the heart speak for itself मीन्स हृदय को स्वयं अपने बारे में बुलवाने लगता है। डिसऑर्डर मीन्स गड़बड़ी। फैटी सब्सटेंसेस मीन्स चिकनाई वाले पदार्थ। डिपोजिट मीन्स जमाव। मैटर गोज ऑन डिपोजिटिंग मीन्स पदार्थ जमता जाता है। इन्फेंट मीन्स शिशुगण। क्लॉट मीन्स छिछड़ा। नेक्स्ट है जॉन कम्स फ्रॉम ए फैमिली से लेकर के लॉट टू मिनिमाइज रिस्क पैरा 14 रेफरेंस सेम है। कॉन्टेक्स्ट इन दीज लाइन्स द ऑथर राइट्स अबाउट द हेरिडिटरी डिसीजेज ऑफ हार्ट। एक्सप्लेनेशन: इट इज सेड दैट ए पर्सन inherits the diseases of heart from the elderly members of his family. Medical records confirm that a person has a strong chances of heart trouble if it has been a disease in his family, but he cannot change his heredity. There is no chance of such a person to escape a heart disease if it happens to him, but this person can follow certain precautions to reduce the danger to its minimum. हेरिडिटरी मीन्स वंशानुक्रम से प्राप्त। इनहेरिट्स मीन्स वंशानुक्रम से प्राप्त करता है। डिसीज मीन्स रोग। कन्फर्म मीन्स पुष्ट करते हैं। हेरिडिटी मीन्स वंशानुक्रम। प्रिकॉशंस मीन्स सावधानियाँ। टू रिड्यूस मीन्स घटाना। मिनिमम मीन्स कम से कम। नेक्स्ट है आई एम नॉट डिमांडिंग टाइप से लेकर के जॉन फॉर ए लॉन्ग टाइम पैरा 24 वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट है। रेफरेंस सेम है। कॉन्टेक्स्ट इन दीज लाइन्स द ऑथर गिव्स अस द प्रिकॉशंस थ्रू विच वी मे कीप आवर हार्ट इन ए good condition for a long time. Explanation: the heart does not want much of care even under difficult condition. The heart runs in good condition. At the most, it needs simple intervals to give the heart intervals. We should decrease our extra weight of flesh. We should take light exercise regularly. We should find out more of time for proper rest. We should give up smoking. If we care to follow these precautions, our heart will go on working well for a long time. Precautions means सावधानियाँ. Decrease means घटाना. Flesh means मांस. Light means हल्की. Exercise means व्यायाम. Give up means त्याग दें. To follow means पालन करना. नेक्स्ट, देयर आर ए लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स से लेकर के दैट वुड फॉलो. पैरा 17 रेफरेंस सेम है. कॉन्टेक्स्ट इन दी लाइन्स द राइटर्स शो द इफेक्ट ऑफ एग्जैक्ट एक्सेस ऑफ वेट विद द ब्लड प्रेशर. एक्सप्लेनेशन: इफ जॉन suffers from high blood pressure, he should try to get rid of it. There are many ways to reduce blood pressure up to the normal level. The first method is to lose the surplus weight of our body. If Jones reduces his surplus weight, he would find himself free from his high blood pressure in a measurable, miraculous manner. This so easy a means would definitely surprise him. Next, the point is this से लेकर के home office. पैरा 20 रेफरेंस सेम है. कॉन्टेक्स्ट इन दी लाइन्स द ऑथर आस्क जॉन टू रिलैक्स हिज माइंड एंड नॉट टू take excess of burden on it. Explanation: here the author passes on an important piece of information to John. He says that the heart gets rest only when John himself takes rest. John should find occasions to have short sleeps. It would be helpful to his heart very often after a much laborious and strenuous day. People come home with lot of office work to do late at night. It is injurious to heart. John must not to do it at home. John should not do anything more than some light reading in the place of boring office work. नेक्स्ट एक्सरसाइज इज अनदर थिंग से लेकर के इंक्रीज्ड बाई 5. पैरा 21 रेफरेंस सेम है. कॉन्टेक्स्ट इन दीज लाइन्स द राइटर टेल्स अस अबाउट बॉडली एक्सरसाइज इन रिलेशन टू हार्ट. एक्सप्लेनेशन: माई Radcliffe writes that John should also care for doing exercise, but the exercise should be light and regular. But John does exercise not daily but on the last day of the week, and that day he does too much of it. He runs much about the net while playing tennis. It increases the workload on the heart. According to the another, it increases the tension of the heart by 5 times more than the normal load. Next stanza, what John should be doing is taking regular से लेकर के that would do a lot. पैरा 22 reference: these lines have been taken from the lesson I Am John's Heart, written by J.D. Radcliffe. Context: in these lines the author suggests exercise to keep heart in healthy condition. Explanation: the author recommends that to keep the heart fit one should go for regular exercise, but the exercise should be light. One should walk over a distance of a kilometer or 2, but one should do it daily. One should climb a couple of flight of stairs to his office. If the office is at a great height, say the 10th floor, one should cover up to the 2nd floor on foot and then use the lift. Such an activity seems to be too simple but is very useful in reality. Thanks. Best of luck.